One take. You flooded me, Lord. Blessings. Woo. Let it come down. Woo. Let it. I'ma change it. I've grown and would like to show that God built the man of worth. Priceless, perfect, and globally changing teachings that I will follow forevermore. Jesus, asking for daily bread. I repent. You give me more breaths yet. I see love and love it when it's wet. I will melt like sugar even if it happens and I couldn't guess. Puddles to jump in, heaven sent. Forever seek and perfect, meaning the best. And that's what he taught me to be, so in part I too only take what's as good as it gets. Lord, let it rain. Make the best of what will get better. Know our parents were pirates because we are treasure. Living life meant for pleasure. Write me a letter. Let me give you one of my sweaters. I'm walking like him, I'm trying to tell ya. He refuses to oppress the fatherless and blesses those overcoming the struggle, accomplishing. Jesus washing one hand to the other, able to clean the face of no idol, but way of life through strife. Impossible is nothing through Christ. Must be nice to make me think twice, but I know better than to take the devil's advice. I will rebuke him, still show love because that's my life. Even if the snake bites, there's no telling me life is the roll of a dice. Chill, ice, still. Let's enjoy these moments of humble thrills. Build like a guild for progress and what he will. My will be willed for him. Singing the Marine Corps hymn. Representing myself with him. Turning grim to grins because you see that's how we all win. Again, ice, still. Fiery night because Mary Jane's name is always on the bill. One split a day will keep the evil away. It's a holy mountain. Let's keep climbing. Let's keep rising to the clouds. That's why I'm rhyming. God bless at Mr. Delgax, Fate Sun Entertainment.
Rain.